ready for your final act of the night? Now, for this, we do need, obviously after this act, we're going to be coming back to our man in the field, and you know what we're looking for. We're looking for fucking spectacular. But unfortunately, you're not just going to be watching this act. So Dom, come this way, my friend.
You've got one very important job to do here, my friend. Dom, you could just sit there.
Sit front and centre. Now, Dom, this is going to be either a dream or a fucking nightmare for you. You really need to pee. Now's a very bad time, my friend.
I'm sure you can hold it for a few minutes, Dom.
It's going to be a couple of... Now, ladies and gentlemen, we had our final act on with us a couple of days ago. Only a couple of days ago. We rarely book people so close together, but the act was so good, we asked her to come straight back. So please, go one...
Mate, one second. I've lost the fucking lead. Here we go.
You've lost the lead.
I've got it. I'm alright. We're alright.
Which is ironic, because I've lost the will to fucking live. That part, the fringe in it, really. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Steve, you plugged in?
Yeah, I'm all good, mate.
Please go wild, go crazy as we welcome to the stage, Zoomy Zoo!
You lucky bastard!